Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. Can't keep up with you, try and talk to you, but it's tense. I just walk away, walk away. Oh. Tell me what I would have done before. Now I let whatever happened to me. Look bold and headstrong, but that's just a ploy. Heartache, what's in a ploy? Love me now, it's real, don't pretend.
Alright, so as you guys might have been able to tell by the intro, I got the wheels in. We're in Kansei Ps, and I got some new tires on it. Shout out to Reckless Auto for installing those and getting those for me. But because that's a lot of the way, I do want to get this interior finally finished so I can start assembling it. And the big thing is getting this carpet out. So I'm gonna clean up first off the whole interior because it's kind of been a storage unit, and I'm gonna cut the carpet like old 240 owners do right there, and get it out. Alright, so everything for the most part is taken out that needs to be on the carpets. I'm gonna get a vacuum all of this so that this stuff doesn't transfer onto like our driveway. All the stuff that I'll actually be using is either in the back or outside. So that's pretty much the organization tactic that I've came up with. So let's get to vacuuming. You can literally see water oozing out from the bottom. Oh my. Just to clarify, this sunroof, these brackets, they did work and it's not leaking anymore. So this was ever since I fixed this, so it's been about 2 weeks. The car's been slowly drying off. I mean, it's not that wet right here. There used to be a puddle here. And it's, like, it's not wet at all. Like, not wet. But underneath it, it's just drenched.
Tell me what I would have done before. Now I let whatever happened to me. Look bold and headstrong.
So the interior smelled pretty bad from all the water buildup from like the last year and a half of the sunroof leaking. So after pulling out the carpet, there's like a little puddle, and I got that all like taken care of by like getting a rag and soaking up all the water. I vacuumed the whole interior like without the carpet. Then I got disinfectant spray and sprayed it down and then wiped down the spray itself so that I can get rid of the stench and I don't have as much gunk buildup from the carpet. Let me show you guys what I mean. So this is after all the gunk has been cleaned off, and this is before. So I mean there's definitely a difference, like right here and right here.
By now I should keep away, just tie it away.
So it's currently Monday. This vlog's gonna be up tomorrow, fingers crossed. I just received the knuckles and lower control arms from Villains. So that means next episode we can have the car on the floor. We've oiled the suspension. Hopefully I can get the subframe modded by Ruben, and she can sit on the ground all pretty. But yeah, it's nice to know that I have all the suspension parts now so I can start assembling. But today, because today is Monday and there's no way in hell I'm gonna get all the suspension parts on in one day and mod the subframe, and this vlog would be super short if I didn't do anything else. So today I'm just gonna throw the whole interior back in. We had the heater on for about 3 days now. The car smells like OEM now. It smells like the leather that comes inside the S14, so pretty much how it smelled when we got the car. And yeah, I'm excited to throw this thing back together and get the interior back in.
Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long, try and talk to you, but it's tense.
So I'm running into a few issues towards the front of the headliner, and like I can explain them, but I think it would be a lot easier just to show you guys. One, I need to get this hooked up just straight to the battery with a switch. That way it can be remote powered, but it just always has power going to it instead of having it in a cigarette lighter. So I have a ground and power source over there, but the battery is dead because the car's been sitting for like a year and a half. And for the battery to get charged up and work, it's gonna take like a night. So I'm not gonna be able to do that today. The other issue is I would like to close this off and like just get the whole center console in, but again, the switch, I don't know where it's gonna be wired up to, and we're most likely have to wire it up to one of those wires which lead, if I'm correct, to this area. So I just don't want to assemble it and then have to disassemble it to put the front of the headliner in, only to assemble it again. If that makes any sense. So pretty much in conclusion, I can't touch this interior because I don't know where the ground or positive is in this wire, as well as I don't know where the ground positive is into one of the wires that you have soldered in, like when the S14 was running, so 2-ish years ago. So